Compounding, varyingly addressed as the magic of investing and the eighth wonder of the world. It can play a significant role in your wealth creation journey. The best thing about compounding is that while it can have an immense impact on the growth of your investments, it is quite simple to understand. So, what exactly is the power of compounding? Speaking in mathematical terms, it is the increase in the value of an investment due to the interest earned on the principal and the accumulated interest. Simply speaking, compounding is the process that helps you earn interest on the principal amount that you have invested and also on the interest that you earn periodically. To truly understand the power of compounding, let's compare compound interest with simple interest. If you are earning simple interest on an investment, then you earn interest only on the principal amount invested. However, if you are earning compound interest, then you will earn interest on the principal amount invested and on the accumulated interest amount over successive periods. Over time, this interest on interest can snowball into a substantial amount. Benefits of the power of compounding. The main benefit of compounding is that it gives you an opportunity to exponentially grow the returns from your investments. More importantly, it teaches you the importance of time. As your investment time period increases, so do the benefits from compounding. One of the best things about the power of compounding is that it helps you grow your money even if you invest a small amount of money. You need not start big. You can start small, invest consistently, and stay invested over the long term to truly reap the benefits of compounding. Start investing, stay consistent for a long period, enjoy the benefits of compounding. Have a rich life. Take care, people. Consider subscribing the channel.